How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is open up your Cash App. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you do that, you can then simply head over to your Bitcoin section. So what you can do is first tap on the send button and then tap on send Bitcoin. So if you tap on receive Bitcoin, you'll basically get your address and yeah, we don't want that. Tap on send Bitcoin and now you can select how much you want to send the Bitcoin worth of. So just type in the amount that you want to send. So let's say 4 Bitcoin, you will find how much that amounts to as well. There you can see how much the $4 amounts to. So simply tap on send after you're satisfied with the amount of Bitcoin that you're sending. Then all you have to do is type in the address of the person or the account that you want to transfer to. Then after you do that, tap on next. After you tap on next, you can now select your withdrawal speed. If it's a priority, you can always tap on priority, but it will charge you more. And if you want the least charging one, you can choose the standard option as well. Then tap on next and you will have initiated a withdrawal. And you're basically good to go. And that's how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.